Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So let us read the problem statement. Given a integer n and print all even numbers from 0 till n. So you know, right, what is even numbers? So any number which is divisible by 2 and which gives the remainder 0. So that number is called even number. So we have to print only even numbers here. So in this question, they're not asking to print the odd numbers. So odd numbers is nothing but any number which divides with 2 and which will not give the remainder 0. So then that number is called odd number. But here they are not asking the odd numbers. They are asking just to print the even numbers. So I hope you understand the question. So let us write the program. So import. So if we want to use scanner, we have to use the util package. So import java.util.star. So let us write the scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So int n is equal to sc.nextInt. So till n we have to print, right? So that's why I'm using for loop. So int I is equal to 0. It has to go until n. So this n. So until we have to go to n. So I less than or equal to n. So why I'm using less than? Because it starts from 0, right? So 0 is like I value is what? 0. So here I'm checking I value is 0. So 0 less than n. So until this condition fails, this loop will be executed. So once again I will repeat. So I value is 0. So and I value is 0 and 0 less than or equal to n. And after that what will happen? I plus plus will happen and I will be incremented. So until n value is equal to the I value, then only the statement executes. And after that, whenever the I value is bigger than n value, so then the statement will be that like this for loop will be stopped executing the for loop. I hope I got it. So if you don't understand, please comment. I will explain. Like I will give you the solution in the chat. So I have gone through for loop and just we have to write the logic. So if I, so why I'm writing I? Because all the numbers will be there in the I value only, I variable. So that's why I'm writing I. So whenever it incremented, so I value will be incremented to 0 to 1. And after that 2, 3, 4. So that's why I'm using I. So I modulus. So modulus will give, so this symbol is called modulus. So the symbol is called modulus. So modulus will give the remainder. I hope you understand what is modulus. So I mod 2. As I told you, what is even numbers? When I mod 2, which gives the remainder 0. So it is equal to, like it is equal to operator. So equal to is a operator which checks whether that statement is true or false. So what is equal to operator? It checks whether that statement is true or false. I hope you got it. So like it will check I modulus 2 is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then we have to print just what we have to print. So it is we have to print the I value. So we have to print the even numbers, right? So what are even numbers? So or like this state, if this statement checks each and every number, so I value will have the each and every number. So it will check each and every number with 2, and if the statement satisfied, so then only the statement will get executed. So what we have to print? I. So what we have to print? I. So yes, I think this is the even numbers. When I modulus equal to 0, so then it is an even number. I think the program is completed. So here we should not do the odd numbers also. So that's why. So this is the even number program. So whatever the statement asked me, like ask to us, I have written the code. So let us run this program. So there is no error. So let us give the n. So whatever the user input gives, it will be stored into the n variable. So I'm giving, let's say 10. So 10 will be in the n variable. So after that, so the for loop, it will come to the next line. So each and like it will start from each and one by line. Like if 12 statement executed, and after that 13 statement will be executed. So line by line will be executed. So then the statement is completed. We have given 10, right? So after that for loop. So if I is equal to 0, like I'm giving the I variable equal to 0, it starts from 0 I value, and it should be and with 10. So the loop will be executed how many times? 10 times, because the n value is 10. So 0, 0 less than or equal to n. What is n value? 10. So it's condition satisfied. So then satisfied, after this condition satisfied, it will check the that number I value, whatever the number which is there. So that number will be checked with 2, modulus 2. If it is equal to 0, then the statement will be executed. And after that, I plus plus will be incremented. After that, like I value will become 1. So I value will become 1. And after that, I less than like z1 less than or equal to n. What is the n? 10. So 1 less than or equal to 10. So this condition is satisfied. 1 is less than 10, right? So this condition is satisfied. So then 1 modulus 2 equal to 0. So then it's false. So the statement will be not executed. So and after that, this I plus b incremented. And after that, I value will be 2. So 2 is less than or equal to n. So 2 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, this condition is satisfied. So I plus plus, sorry. So after this condition satisfied, it will come here, and 2 modulus 2 equal to 0. So 2 divided by 2, like 2 modulus 2, which gives the remainder 0. Like if you divide the 2 with 2, what will be the remainder? It's 0, right? So then, so this statement will be condition passed, and the statement will be executed. So what is the I value will be 2. So on, like after that the I plus plus will be incremented, and the value will be 3, and so on, like up to 10 will be the same process will be executed up to 10. Whatever the n value which we have given, right? So up to 10 it will be executed. So I'm giving 0 again. So let us check. Let us run this program again. So there is no errors. So let us give 10. So what is the output? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are all even numbers. So I hope you understand this problem. So like if you find this video which is helpful for you, so please subscribe to my channel, and please share to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon. So if you press the bell icon, then only you'll get the notification. So whenever I post videos in YouTube, you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.